Hello everyone, it is me Justice Sagar again, and today we'll be doing a project named Design a Hospital. So, all the details are given there. Story: the world is gripped by a new virus which is spreading fast. The country you stay in is getting ready for the virus. You are the chief architect of the country, and your responsibility is to create a layout of hospital beds inside a stadium. There are many such stadiums in your country, and each stadium can have up to 20 beds. Use four different colors to separate four categories of patients: elderly, adults, children, and babies. Also remember that the virus is infected, so the beds cannot be very close to each other. So the specific tasks are: start by creating a basic rectangle of size 10 pixels by 5 pixels, creating the first row of 5 beds from left to right. You can start to draw somewhere on the top left corner. Make sure there's a distance of at least 80 pixels between two adjacent rectangles. Before starting a new row, change the color of the drawing. Create 4 such rows by using a repeat loop. Click on run once to check if it's working. And these are some codes we can check if we don't understand it. So let's start. This will be named my project 11. So first we shall jump up. So we need to jump to the top left. Run. Now the artist has somehow disappeared. So that means it's wrong. Let us just check once again. Yes, that means it's wrong. So we need another action. Uh, it's jump. Uh, it will be given here. I think jump forward. So we'll need to jump forward. So 100. Or we can also use another one I just saw. 0 over and 200 down. No, not here. 100. 100. Let's see. Can we still see it? 100. 100. 100. So this means we need something like 150, 10, 20, yes, and that means we need a 0. No, not a 0. A 10 down. Not even a 10. A 20 down. 60 down. That's, I think, 50. That looks better. So our artist is on the top left corner. Now we'll just increase the speed, and the first thing we need is a set color, and we need to make some beds. So that means It's a 10 by 5 bed. So first are brushes, and here it's a set color. So a set color will be red only, and then there will be a move forward by the top of the beds are 5, move forward by 5, and then we turn right by 90, and then we move forward by 10, and then again we turn right by 90. Now this means our over and down is something wrong. So let us check it once. 10 pixels by 5 pixels. So it is supposed to be correct. Then okay. So the thing is we have not put a loop here yet. So that means we put this into 2. Now let's try it. It means this might be 50. Yes, it means 50 by 100. Now that looks better, and we shall just increase the screen size. Zero over and zero down. Now, if I'm not mistaken, we are over here right now. So we need to jump forward now. Now we need to make another bed, and there shall be 80 pixels distance between each of them. So first we need to cross the bed's upper half over here, and then 80. So 50 plus 80. So that will be equal to 130. So I think we might need to do it a little down because we can't see it like that. Now that looks good. And so now what we need to do is we need to put these loop this loop into another loop. So now here we do it like this, but a screen it looks a little too big. So maybe the amount we jumped by is a little too much. So we can make it 120. Not even that. 110. Yes, that is fine. So now I think we must be somewhere over here. So now we need another of this jump to over. Now that means if you're 0 right now, mm, we shall be somewhere like 180. 0 will be the same, and this, now we just need to see where it is right now. So we can put this little. Okay, so that clearly is too much, too less, sorry, and not even 110. That means 150. 160. Now that does the trick. That does the trick. Mm, okay. Now what we need to do? We need to just copy all this repeat, and we need to put it below here. But before that, we need to change the color. So, and maybe we can reduce the size a little bit. So, 25, that is too less. 45, that is good. And this can be, it looks like 65. No, 70. Yes, that looks okay. So the next thing we need to do is set the color to, so I think we should end this video right now, as I think too much time has passed. So let's continue with it in another video. So bye bye till then, friends.